In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio language on Crunchyroll step by step. If you want to watch your favorite anime or movie in a different language, Crunchyroll makes that process pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to change the audio for the video you're currently watching, and then I'll also show you how to set a default audio language so future shows automatically use your preferred option whenever it's available. To begin, open Crunchyroll and start playing the anime episode or movie you want to watch. This is important because the audio language setting is found inside the video player while the content is playing. Once the video is on screen, look for the gear icon in the player controls. This is the settings button. Depending on your device, you may need to tap the screen first to make the playback controls appear. When you see the gear icon, tap or click it to open the settings menu. Inside that menu, select audio. This will open the available audio language options for the title you're currently watching. Keep in mind that the languages you see can vary depending on the specific show or movie, since not every title includes the same dubbing options. Now choose your preferred language. For example, you might see options like English, Japanese, Spanish, or Portuguese. Just select the one you want to use. After you choose it, the video will continue playing in the selected language. In most cases, the switch happens right away, so you can immediately hear the difference. If you want Crunchyroll to use a specific audio language by default, there's also a way to set that up in your account preferences. Open Settings, then go to Preferences. In that section, select Audio Language. From there, choose the language you want Crunchyroll to use as your default. Once that's set, new shows will automatically use that language when it's available. That can save you time, especially if you usually watch dubbed content in the same language and don't want to change it manually every time you start a new episode. One quick tip to keep in mind is that if you don't see the language you want, that usually means the show doesn't currently offer that audio track. In that case, you may need to choose from the available options for that title. And that's it. That's how to change the audio language on Crunchyroll and set your default language preference for future viewing.